Okay, we have a lot of old refrigerators here that they condemned. So we're going to try to repair them. Go ahead and pick one out. It's going to get this one. A common problem on these mini refrigerators is your compressor overload relay. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, right here is the cover for our relay we're going to get to. Overload relay. Make sure you unplug the refrigerator before you start getting in here. Because right here is our high voltage single phase 120. So right here we have a overload. It's going to go ahead and
relay.
pop it off. Okay. This is our overload relay for your compressor. It's a protector. It protects your compressor. Red and white side. Go ahead and pull the wires out. There's a number right here that it's on the relay itself. Check down this on. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and test our compressor here. So what you set your meter to ohms, continuity. This here is common run start. So we're gonna test it here. So you need to hear the continuity to that lead and that lead, that lead and that lead. This compressor is good. So let's go ahead and change out the overload relay. Okay, we got a new one off Amazon. $10.99, guys.
There's like this. So we got white, red.
Okay, we're gonna put it in exactly the same way we took it off, in reverse. And right there where we have our 3 prongs, we got our common run start. Just plug it in. Like that. That's all you have to do. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our cover back on and run a test on. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in now that our cover's on.
Look at that.
You hear that? That's a sweet sound. Compressor's on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it around, clean it up, and test it out. Okay, right now we're at 6 degrees, so it's kind of warm.
It's going down.
It's going down. The evaporator is getting cold. We're testing our evaporator back here. Oh yeah, it's getting cold. It's working, guys. Let's go ahead and test it out, the ultimate test. Let's put some water in there. We'll check it out. We'll open it up tomorrow and we'll see where we're at.
That's it.
Okay, we need to get to like 34 degrees, 35 degrees. So let's go ahead and we'll look at it tomorrow. Okay, here we go. It's been sitting overnight. Let's go ahead and check our water in here. Water's nice and cold. All right, let's check the temperature out in this. We're at 34 degrees. That's perfect. That is perfect. It's what you want, around 34 degrees, right above freezing. That's a success. Put that success sticker in there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.